Hi everybody, it's Miss Diana from the Wyndham Public Library giving you your Science Explorers today. Now this is our last one kind of for the season. We're getting ready to start planning our summer program, so this is going to be it for the month. No, nothing for the month of May. So anyway, you can always watch some of the old ones. They've been pre-recorded and I don't know how long they're going to be on there for, but go for it. Anyway, today we're going to be exploring the Earth. We're going to make paper mountains. Alright, there's very few things you need for this experiment. It's just plain old piece of paper. I always use scrap paper, something you don't care for anymore. And some fun color markers, 2, 3, 4, whatever. I have 4. A plate and a paper towel. That's it. Anyway, so simple. It always is. You have hopefully all these things at home. Piece of paper. You're going to crumple it. You know, if you are going to use scrap paper, have the side that has something printed on it be on the bottom. So that's the only fussy thing I'm going to be about today. So you're just going to take your paper and you're going to crumple it up. And make it so that what you're going to kind of make it look like when you're done crumpling. That's kind of the cool part. It's going to look like a mountain. I mean, if you think about it, kind of a snowy mountain, if you think about it. Now you've got your ridges and your valleys and your peaks and whatnot. So this whole thing's fun. I was going to say that was the fun part, but there's more fun to come. So stay with me. All right. So you got your beautiful mountain. Phase 1 is done. I don't know why I'm doing this again. You don't have to do it twice. I guess it was just so much fun I couldn't resist. All right. So now, parts, I'm going to trade you over to go look at the table here. And what you're going to do, well, actually, not yet. Take one of your colored markers. Go for something kind of bright. Maybe yellow might not work in this one. Or pale colors. Go for deep, dark, bright ones. So you've got your mountain ridge here. Pick a mountain ridge, and you're just going to color right along that ridge. And go to town with it a little bit. Don't just be light on it. Go kind of heavy with the color. Doesn't have to be beautiful. This is not an art project this time. It's more of a science project. Now, because it's just a piece of paper, you can do this over and over again. Experiment. That's what experiment's all about. All right, so we've got this nice purple line. It's kind of like the nice ridge along a mountain here. I don't know if you're a skier, but it'd be a really great mountain to ski down. Okay, so, oh, one thing I forgot to mention, you need water. All right, I hope you have that in your house. So, here we go. I'm going to turn you over. Now you can look down at the tray. Can you see that okay? All right, I'm going to make sure you see my beautiful purple mountain ridge here, okay? Oh, I might start singing a song now. So, what you want to do is you always try to predict. Still here. Predict before you actually do the experiment. So what do you think is going to happen? Okay, so if I pour water in the top here, which I'm going to, what do you think is going to happen with this purple line? Oh, another thing, I keep forgetting things today. I apologize. Make sure that these are washable markers, not because I don't trust you to paint other things, but just because we want the water to do its thing with that. All right, permanent markers will not work in this experiment. Back down here. All right, so we're going to take some water. You can use an eyedropper or something with a little spout on it. Oh, this is perfect. We used this for our snow cones a couple summers ago. So I'm going to drop the water right at the highest point here, the peak of this. And you see, where do you think that water's going to go, and what do you think is going to happen with that color? Now, actually, now that I think about it, oh, I'm in the mode of being forgetful. I don't want to show you what's going to happen. I want you to try this at home. This is so easy and really kind of cool. Because I would spoil it for you. I don't want to be a spoiler here. So what we're going to do is I want to color a little bit more just to give you an idea. I'm going to pick a totally different color. Go a different side of the mountain. Pick a different ridge. Here's a cool ridge over here. I'm going to go over here. And this. And again, you can be really messy with this. So if you have to be like tidy all day long, this is where you can let it all out. All right. Color that nice and good. where do you think the water's gonna go? All right, so you get the idea. And then I was going to go for a third color, orange, to see, are the colors gonna blend? Is the water gonna go straight down? What do you think's gonna happen? So needless to say, this is just like a mountain. And this water that you're going to stop from the top, it's like rain, obviously. So what do you think happens when the rain hits the top of the mountain? Where is it going to go? Now, streams typically aren't purple and blue and orange, which is probably a good thing. But think about it. Try it. It's really cool. All right. Thanks for joining me. Good luck. And let me know what happens. All right. Thanks for joining me. I already said that. Bye.